Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with a hit and a smash and a banger. And people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, here from the title, you see what we are dealing with today. Damn Mafia. Yeah, man, you see it there. We got artists, well, one of them is a stranger channel. This one is produced by Russian, and today we got TJ and Kemar Highcon. This one entitled Grand Theft Auto. They dropped this like a day or two ago, so we're gonna check it out and see what's going on today. You don't know TJ, very talented. Kemar Highcon, we're not too familiar with him on the channel. You know what I'm saying? We don't know Kemar Highcon, but we haven't reacted to Kemar Highcon on the channel before, so go and check out this one and see what it deal with. You know what I'm saying? See if it's a hit. Anyway, guys, you don't know guys, that Mafia. I just want to thank y'all for being active. You know what I'm saying, for being active in the comments and with that like button. You don't know, we're going strong over here. You know, I'm like 100 away from 2K, guys. So go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. You don't know, road to 2K. Once we hit 2K, is road to 10K. We're not even stopping at 5K. You see me? So yeah, guys, I'm at 100 right now, away from 2K. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and share the video. You don't know. So I hit 2K. And then after that, road to 10K, because we're taking over. You don't know. You tune into the latest reaction channel and music dancehall channel on YouTube, so y'all don't want to miss out, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, like I was saying, guys, today we got Kemar Highcon and TJ Grand Theft Auto. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. Let's get it. I wonder if this is what they saw and thought the man got locked up for real. Did Kemar, let me know in the comment section, did Kemar actually get locked up, or was this they saw a video shooting and then they started rumors that the man got locked up? Let me know. Excuse me.
What is wrong with you? Like, do you really think you're gonna go out right now? And
Yeah, well, go on. Wait.
You're gonna leave me here? You don't even pay attention to me.
Is a fluffy dog out of jail? See what I'm going.
Grand Theft Auto, X-Vex Chumukan and cut. Now the red beam off a park up. Sauce boss on me have a sauce up. Look at one girl get me caught up. Mbex to me Lani Benz truck. Them a pray for me like a pambrock. When we touch a party, the whole place get fucked. Now everybody put your hands up for.
Yeah, was this how it happened? They saw the video and thought this man actually got locked up. Let me know in the comment section, dog. If you lock up your fluffers, call police for the dog.
Rolex for me life farm, yeah. Yeah, my fresh like my window lotto. Me have to flex up on my ex. You know the Tesla with open doors. Couple chain on my neck. Me took a Glock with the extender.
It's not bad, but there's something with the lyrics. The lyrics sound kind of, I don't know, but it's not bad.
Grand Theft Auto. My girl know me a chip, so tell my ex don't follow me up. My blast off my XX. I just my data, my mother me love.
This remind me of Chris Brown, that wave video, yeah, with the girl in the pool and shit. It's lit, different, you know what I'm saying?
Some of my girl I call my phone, and I said them want link up. Pool party, I ain't sure. Me not left till morning come. Pull her makeup, tell her act bright, but me a wear road. Me not stop a stop light, and no better stay tuned. If I give anti shots and I give anti shows. Up good, when we outside, every girl is so smooth. Yeah, me full of girl like, I'm full of tune. So tell my ex to fuck off and move. Grand Theft
full of girl like, I'm full of tune. Tell him, move up, I'm there.
Photo, Rolex for me life farm, yeah. Yeah, my fresh like my window lotto. Me have to flex.
It's kind of also, you know what I'm saying? It grows on you. I ain't gonna lie to you. It grows on you. You know, it's kind of an innocent tune. No bad man. It's not a bad man vibe. No, right? It's just kind of cool. Alright. Him sound like one of them who could pop you there. The pop version of dance. Yeah, but Kemar Highcon. I give him that. Just give it this little pop tune. Give you like, Yeah, it's like you like something like a Chris Brown or what would I say? Like that's really, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that level, but you know the vibe. You know what I'm saying?
In the Tesla with open doors. Couple chain on my neck. Me took a Glock with the extender. You know.
Yeah, couple chain on my neck. Took the Glock with the extender. It got a wholesome summer vibe. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit grows on you. At the first, I was like, this grows on you. It's a vibe. It's a vibe.
Grand Theft Auto, me can't lose, yeah. Still I listen to
Russia know him do, you know. Russia know who produce.
Girl, I have me pick and choose.
Yeah.
Money make plastic pop. Girl, just still I get dropped.
Hey, money make plastic pop. Girl, see I get chopped. Easy na dog, alright.
Yeah. Whole place I'm too hot. No, your girl say she love me mugshot. Grand Theft Auto, Rolex pump.
I was a girl. Whole place I love me mugshot. So it was a part of them, bro. Don't tell me say them see this video shooting and thought this man got locked up for real. Yo, Jamaican are easy, you know that.
My life farm, yeah.
Yeah, my fresh like my wonder car, this thing. Is that video?
Up on my ex. In the Tesla with open doors. Couple chain on my neck. Me took a Glock with the extender. You know really watch what we spend.
Yeah, this is a vibe. Yo, this is a vibe. This sound grows on you, bro. You got a wholesome little feel, a little pop feel to it, a little pop dancehall feel, like somewhere where you know it's really a Chris Brown. The vibe. I'm not saying on that level, but the vibe with gear, you know, summer beat. Yeah, man, you go on, you grow up on you. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Grand Theft Auto.
Are you paying attention to me? Like, what is your problem? No, because you're here feeling yourself and everything and going out and partying.
Yeah, man, love you. What did you do?
Like, what the fuck is your problem? Oh yeah, you're so funny. What the fuck?
Yeah, man, this a little vibe. It goes on. You ain't gonna capture. First I was like, but it goes on, you guys. So let me know anything about that. Kemar Highcon Teejay, Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, man. Roshan, you know what you're doing, bro. You know if you produce music. That's a vibe. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. People will know anything about it one day. You know what I'm saying? If you like, you definitely show the artist them some love and support. Like, you know, say Jambisco and send you. You don't know, you know, it's a vibe. And let me know what's your favorite part. Was it the lyrics, you know, the tune, the video, whatever it was, the melody, whatever it was, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, man, people. I appreciate y'all staying active in the comment section and hitting on the like button. You don't know. Help your boy, y'all. We road to 2K. Probably 100 away from 2K. So hit that like and subscribe button, you know. Share it. Tell a friend. We're going over here. You know, so once we road to 2K, we're going straight to 10K. We're not going to stop at 5K. You know, we're going straight to 10K. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Help your boy out. Join. Become part of the family. The latest reaction channel on YouTube. Become part of the vibes. The energy and vibes were crazy. So, you know, I miss out. So, you don't know. Yeah, man, guys. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. I was hearing nothing. Hitting and smashing up. Banga. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.